Next up, let's talk about sedimentary minerals. Sedimentary minerals can also form in two ways. The first is the crystallization within aqueous solutions. This is how we get salt, halite. And the other way is just weathering from other minerals, right? So let's first talk about crystallization within aqueous solutions. This just means that there's some sort of fluid, most often water, that has ions dissolved in it. And just like gold forms from the hydrothermal solutions, which we call igneous minerals, those hydrothermal solutions require a lot of heat to happen, hydrothermal. However, sedimentary crystallization can form in a very similar way. It's just heat's not required, so we don't consider it an igneous mineral. Instead, it's a sedimentary mineral. So coming back to halite, which we call salt, if there's water with a lot of salt in solution, there's a lot of salt ions in there. Just like ocean water, you take a taste of the ocean water, it's very salty because of those salt ions in there. If the water becomes oversaturated with salt ions, it just can't hold that salt anymore. This happens often when the water is evaporated and the salt's left behind. Those ions in solution can actually start to bond with each other and be precipitated out as a solid. So if you go to the edge of an evaporating lake or the edge of an evaporating ocean or sea, you'll often see these gorgeous white crystals everywhere. And that's often the sedimentary mineral halite, which we call salt. The next way that sedimentary minerals can form is just from weathering of other minerals, right? Any other mineral, once it's exposed to Earth's surface and weathered due to rain and heat and other things that break down other minerals, new minerals can form, often clays, and we call those, those are included in the group of sedimentary minerals.